All about Verbena stricta, the hoary vervain for your garden. Hi there, Ferbu here. Today we're diving into the world of Verbena stricta, also known as hoary vervain. This beautiful North American native wildflower is a popular choice for gardens, attracting butterflies and adding a touch of prairie charm. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting your plant journey, Verbena stricta offers easy care and stunning blooms. Let's explore some frequently asked questions about this versatile perennial. What is Verbena stricta? Verbena stricta is a herbaceous perennial belonging to the Verbenaceae family. This translates to a flowering plant that returns year after year, adding a touch of permanence to your garden. Nicknamed hoary vervain or tall vervain, it's known for its clusters of small, purple blooms that grace the landscape from early summer to fall. How to grow Verbena stricta? Here's the good news. Verbena stricta is a low-maintenance plant that thrives on neglect, almost. Here's what you need to know. Sunlight. Full sun is ideal for Verbena stricta. It can tolerate some light shade, but flowering will be less prolific. Soil. Average, well-drained soil is key. Verbena stricta is drought-tolerant and adapts well to sandy, rocky, or clay soils. Watering. Water regularly during the first growing season to establish strong roots. Once established, Verbena stricta is quite drought-tolerant and needs minimal watering. Fertilizer. This easygoing plant doesn't require heavy feeding. A light application of balanced fertilizer in spring is sufficient. How to care for Verbena stricta? Verbena stricta is a low-maintenance charmer, but a few simple steps can keep it looking its best. Deadheading. Regularly removing spent flowers encourages continued blooming throughout the season. Simply pinch off the flower head where the stem meets the stalk. Dividing. After a few years, Verbena stricta clumps can become crowded. Divide them in early spring to maintain healthy growth and promote flowering. Pests and diseases. Verbena stricta is generally pest and disease resistant. However, keep an eye out for common garden pests like aphids or whiteflies. A blast of water or insecticidal soap spray can usually handle them. Verbena stricta versus lemon verbena. Know the difference. Both Verbena stricta, hoary vervain, and lemon verbena belong to the Verbena family, but they're quite distinct plants. Here's a quick breakdown. Verbena stricta. This is a wildflower, prized for its beautiful purple blooms and ability to attract butterflies. It's not typically used for culinary purposes. Lemon verbena. This is a shrubby herb known for its fragrant lemon-scented leaves. It's a popular addition to culinary gardens and used to flavor teas, desserts, and savory dishes. Verbena stricta, a haven for wildlife. Verbena stricta is a magnet for beneficial insects. The flowers attract butterflies, including the common buckeye, which uses the plant as a host for its larvae. Additionally, the seeds provide a valuable food source for small mammals and prairie chickens. Using Verbena stricta in your garden. Verbena stricta's tall, slender form and delicate purple blooms make it a versatile addition to your garden. Here are some ideas for incorporating it into your landscape. Butterfly gardens. Verbena stricta is a must-have for attracting butterflies. Plant it alongside other butterfly favorites like coneflower and milkweed to create a vibrant pollinator haven. Wildflower meadows. This North American native wildflower thrives in meadows and adds a touch of prairie charm to your garden. Combine it with other native wildflowers like black-eyed Susan and blazing star for a stunning natural display. Borders. Verbena stricta's upright form and long bloom time make it a perfect choice for adding height and color to your garden borders. Conclusion. Verbena stricta, effortless beauty. Verbena stricta is a low-maintenance wildflower with a lot to offer. Its easygoing nature, beautiful blooms, and ability to attract butterflies make it a valuable addition to any garden. So, if you're looking for a plant that adds charm and ecological value with minimal effort, Verbena stricta might be your perfect match.